Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Corinne here. And today I'll be bringing you a two-strand twist tutorial on short hair, as well as a review of my August 2022 curl box. The brand that was featured that month was the brand Palmer's for the Shine Therapy line. So in that box, we got a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, as well as a deep conditioner. The deep conditioner came in a small packet. I'm not sure if I'll be using that today. We'll see. We also got a conditioning hair and scalp oil and a growth therapy, which is a hair grease. And finally, a strong roots scalp serum. First up is the shampoo. It claims to be sulfate-free, color-safe, and removes buildup. Now, this shampoo is a very thick, creamy shampoo, and my hair loves thick shampoos and conditioners. So this went very well with my hair. Also, it lathered great. Absolutely no complaint about this. I love this. I'll definitely be keeping this one. Next up was the conditioner. Now, this conditioner is a must-have. The reason why I like it so much is because of the consistency. It is so thick. Look at that. That is not moving. That is not going nowhere. And that is exactly how my hair likes conditioner, loves conditioner. It is thick. It covers all my hair strands, and yeah, it was easy to detangle with this also. This conditioner claims to have a rich creamy conditioner. It claims to enhance fullness, shine, and manageability, preserves hydration and soothes follicles, leaves hair full, soft, and incredibly shiny. What I also liked about this, I like when conditioners can double as a deep conditioner. It is thick enough to be a deep conditioner, and I did leave it sit a little while in my hair before detangling, and I find that it made detangling quite easy. So this is definitely one that I recommend. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the deep conditioning pack, which was the deep conditioner. Now, I wasn't sure about using this, but I did end up using it. Um, as I'm showing you the consistency, it is a bit light. It is, I find it to be lighter than the conditioner, which was kind of a no-no for me. um, it was more of a lotion consistency than a cream. However, I did use it. Is it something that I need? No. I can do without the deep conditioner because the conditioner does double duty, and my hair just rather the conditioner more than the deep conditioner because it was thicker. And furthermore, the deep conditioner came in a small pack, so I don't know if this is a regular size or if it actually comes in a bigger pack, but I could have passed on this one. Now, I did follow the instructions with this one, and the direction said to allow to penetrate for 2 to 3 minutes or as desired, then rinse with cool water. I left this on for about 5 minutes, and I detangled, and yeah, still I rather the conditioner. Next up is the leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner spray was definitely more on the lighter side. Also, I wanted to mention that the shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and scalp serum, all four of these products carry the same scent. It's a light scent, light subtle scent, but yet it is beautiful. It is I can't pinpoint what it is exactly. I could smell a little olive oil, but with a hint of perfume in it, and the scent is quite nice. Next is a conditioning hair and scalp oil. Now, this oil does carry the same scent as the rest of the products. And as you can see, it is a bit runny. So this oil is definitely more on the thinner side. So if you like that, then you'll definitely like this oil. I see myself using this oil more as a touch up for my hair, or my hairstyles, as my hair begins to lose some moisture. So that is what I will be using this product for. Now, this product, the Strong Roots Scalp Serum, is definitely a winner. This product left my hair feeling the way I wanted the leave-in conditioner and the hair and scalp oil to leave my hair feeling. Now, it is a thick lotion. So I did have to work it a bit to get it up. In order to be able to apply it, I had to pump quite a few times. I like the scent. It has the same scent as the rest of the products, and it left, even though it's intended for your scalp, for your roots, yeah. It left my hair moisturized. I like the way that my hair felt afterwards. Some did get on my strands, and yes, this product saved the day. And now the final product is the Grow Therapy. Initially, I thought this was a hair cream, but it's not. It is a hair grease. And as usual, I've learned to read the instructions before applying a product to get the best use of it. And yep, I couldn't use it. It says do not use on wet hair. So I had to go dry my hair, wait for my hair to dry, and come back to use this product. Now, here we are again. This is take two. All right, so we're back with the hair grease. And this was properly sealed, which is a great thing. Now, getting the hair grease, I was quite happy because it brought me back in the days. I grew up with my hair being combed with hair grease. So I was happy to do that. Of course, I had to rethink the hairstyle that I wanted to do. It does smell like hair grease. Yep, it definitely smells like hair grease. It has that consistency, that thick consistency. So yeah, it just bring me back in the days, reminding me of back in the days. So this is where I decided that I will be doing two strand twists. All right, now all the products are in my hair. Now I'm starting my two strand twist. Because my hair was short, I definitely had to do my twist small. Just doing regular twist, and I'm doing them quite tight together to get the effect that I wanted. I will say, although in the end I like the results, this hairstyle took some time. Took some time to finish. I think I had about 2 hours in my hair. Yeah, 2 hours doing these twists in my hair. So it definitely takes some time. After a few days, the intention is, of course, to open them up and to rock a twist out. So stay till the end to see how this comes out. This is my hair after finishing all of the twist. And to be quite honest, I actually like it. I love it. I love my hair. If you watch my previous video, you will see how I lost all of my hair. But I've been afraid to rock short hair, to be quite honest. And right now, my hair is at a stage, a length where I'm trying to find hairstyles that goes with it. And this is definitely one that I will go back to. It does take quite some time, but yeah, I'm loving my hair. I'm loving my hair. This headband I received in my no, September curl box, and I love the colors. Pink is actually my favorite color. So I definitely had to do a photo shoot. At the end, you'll see me taking pictures with this. Now, what is different about the pictures in the end is that overnight when I went to bed, I tied my hair so that it will lay flat. So in the pictures, the following pictures, you will see the twist lay flatter than they are right now. Here are my final thoughts on this hair care line. If you have type 4 hair like I do with a similar curl pattern as mine, and if you are looking for a product that is going to define your curls, then this is definitely not the hair care line for you. This line is more so about styling with the addition of the grease, styling twist, braids, but also about moisture. So that is how I found this hair care line to be useful for me. The products that I definitely would repurchase are the shampoo and the conditioner, as well as the scalp serum. I find that those three products worked great for my hair. The hair grease also did the trick. So that was my honest review of this hair care line. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any other brand that you would like to see me review, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Bye bye.